Hello guys, this is an introduction to Git. So Git is an open source control management system that tracks changes in a set of computer files. So usually is used by programmers when they want to collaborate during software development. So Git has benefits. So first of all is speed, since you'll be working on your local machine. Here there's no need to connect to the central server. So availability and backup, so you'll have multiple copies. Security, Git uses SHA-1 algorithm to secure the data stored within the repository. It protects against any accidental or malicious damage. Fourth, in terms of collaboration, you are able to collaborate it's easily to collaborate among developers. And also Git provide tools to resolve conflicts or merge changes. Uh, you can also track the historical changes and also be able to know who made the changes, and also you'll be able to revert back to the previous changes. So to use Git in your machine, there's a link on the description below. Follow the steps. Then after successfully installing, you'll have a tool known as Git Bash. So Git Bash is a terminal used to interact, which we use to interact with Git. Depending on your OS, you can use other terminal like a CMD or PowerShell. So before you do anything, you have to configure some things here. First, you have to specify your name, so to know who you are. If, for example, if you make any changes, be able to know who you are. So to specify your name, type git config -- global user dot name. Then type your name. Not something is the wrong command. So to that, skip two dashes. Dash global and user dot name. Also, you can specify email address. Same way, dash global user. So here put email, then test at gmail.com. Okay, so for now we have successfully set the name and email. So also you can set your default branch. So remember, here you can have a production branch, or you can have your main branch or test branch. So to set your branch, you type config git config fake config dash global, then set dot default branch, then so many program uses this main, but you can specify the name that you want. So click enter. So we have successfully set our default branch. Okay, if you're not sure with the command, you can ask it for help. So to get help, so you type git config then dash h. You're able to see various options in which you're able to configure things. So if you want to clear on this, you just click on clear. That is it on introduction to Git. So I'll be releasing another video to learn more about Git. So stay tuned.